Alright, so this is a video about Laravel and should I choose React or Angular? For now, this will be Angular because we're about to make some money. Alright, so we're going to name this project mkdir Narco project because of the background here. Looks like Colombia. And okay, here. So let's go to alright here. And first we're going to create a new website. Oh no, a web client. We're going to use Angular, so we're going to say ng new coca coca web. Alright, coca web. Thing. Can we simultaneously Laravel create a Laravel new Coca API. Alright. So while the Angular is installing the packages, the Laravel here will also do some installation of its own. That's the sound of Milo. I think I'll have to post this. Right, so Laravel seems like it's done already. So let's go to Coca API. Right, let's open up our Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Right. Alright, Angular is done. So let's open up Coca Web. All right, so um, we're going to add all of them and then commit and then push our Angular. This one must also be added. And we are going to push this. Alright, so first we're going to work with our Laravel here. So we're going to create a new model on our Laravel. So we're going to say PHP artisan make model product and add a migration. This is the product of Pablo Escobar. Make model, not model. Alright, it's going to create a new model with migration. So the migration is added here. Okay, it has timestamp and it has a drop. It has a down and this is the up. We're going to have this as name or name like that. Okay, and this is a string. How do we, or is it okay to have it like that? We don't have to define the type. I'm not sure. I'm very new to Laravel. And in here, we're supposed to add a, or maybe we can just leave it like that, maybe. Alright, so what else do we need to do? We're going to have a route here. Go to routes. Here, the route. We're going and the controller. We're going to create a new controller. Okay, so we're going to say PHP artisan make controller products controller, then put as API. Okay, so in here, then in here, we have to do a migration. Okay, hold on. PHP artisan migrate, and it's not working. Why? Unknown. Oh, yep, sure. Um, yeah, because we have to go to here, and we have to set the username and password. Hold on, let me hide this one first. Alright, and we're going to our database. Alright, here. We're going to create one database. Go to root, and then we're going to name this database Goka API. Alright, so we're going to create a new migration, and it failed because name does not exist. And why is the name doesn't exist? Uh-oh. Oh yeah, because it should be declared. This should be the variable. No, the type, and should put a property name here. And yeah, I think it's enough. and then we're going to create a migration. We're going to check our migration here. So we have our products, they had a name here. Alright, so did we create a controller already? Yep, we have a controller already. We can use this in app http controller. Oh, no. Is it http? No, we're going to be models and then product. Alright, so from there we can use the product here for creating. It should be return product, then create. This is using the ORM of Laravel called Eloquent. So it's going to create, and we're interested in create and no product. Oh, just interested on post and get. So in the routes, we're going to define here. It's going to be route resource and then products, and then the location of the controllers and products controller, right? And is it enough? Yep. Okay, so we can test this. We're going to it's going to be Laravel, or how do we okay, PHP artisan serve. So we're going to view this one here. We're going to use this insomnia. It's like a postman. Get all products. Alright, so get all products, API products, and then send. So it has nothing. We're going to duplicate this, create product. So for the create product, this is going to be a post, and the body will be a JSON, and this is going to name to Hoka. Alright, so let's send. So it's internal server error. Add name to property to allow mass assignment. What is that? Alright, so I guess we're missing something here. If you go to model, we're using a factory here. We need a protected fillable here and name. Alright, so let's try again. Oh, it created. And weed. Alright, so if we're going to get all, we have two product of Pablo Escobar. And okay, so we have we're going to check our Coca API here. Products. All right. So we're going to test our Angular here. So we're going to say ng serve. We're going to give the port 3200. Then it's going to launch our localhost 3200. Let's wait for it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so Angular just launched. We're going to open here our main component. This is the main page. Want to remove this. It's okay. And we're just going to use this. We're going to implement on init. On init. On init. So this is hot because this is init. All right, so we're going to create a service. We're going to use this. Say ng generate services, then product service. Okay, and it's going to create a service here. We're going to import the HTTP module. Is it in core? No, I think it's in import from Angular HTTP common HTTP, that one. Then HTTP client module, and we're going to import this, and in here we're going to say HTTP. This is going to be an HTTP client, and get products here, get list of products. It's going to return this HTTP. This is going to be an observable, and this is going to be, we're going to declare here private http dot get and http, where is that? Okay, this one here, is it correct? HTTP client, where is it? HTTP client module here. You want the HTTP, not the HTTP client module. Alright, so and this one here, we're going to use that here. We're going to say private products as services, and we're going to import that, and in our there's going to be products of any. So by this I'm already liking React. I think Angular has a lot of rituals, has more rituals than React. Get list and then subscribe, and then here products plus 2x, and the products here we're going to we don't need this, so we're going to say ng for is equals to let product of products, then we're going to display the product dot name. Alright, as see here, it now displays. So we can add a form here so that it will add into our product. We're going to use a reactive form. In the app modules, we're going to import from Angular common form reactive. Reactive or forms, I think just forms, then reactive forms module, and then we're going to call that here, and in our constructor we're going to have here form that our form, I think it's going to be a form group here, and then we're going to need a form builder here, and this that form the is equals to this that form that group, and it's going to be a name or like that. Yeah, like that. And yeah, okay, so here we're going to create a form, then this is going to be a form group, and the form group of FG. I think we're going to call this FG here, and on sub, is it gonna be ng submit? We're going to add a button here. Submit. Then here, this is going to be a text. This is form control here. Form controller name. name. Okay, so when you click submit, so submit this here, console.log this that form fg that value. Alright, here. Alright, so that one, that name. Okay, so we want to put a create here, the object. How did we pass this one here? So we can just pass it like this. So we can say here, payload is any on this is going to return is the HTTP, the post, then the products, and then the payload. Alright, so here when we submit, it's going to be product service that create this that group that value, then subscribe, responses here, then we're going to display the response. Yeah, okay, so we have that, have here, okay, what are the other products this Pablo Escobar have? Cocaine, weed, um, first, smuggled rice or smuggled appliances. Okay, smuggled appliances. Oh, it has it has value. So if we refresh this, it has a value here, but we don't want to refresh. Why do we have to refresh? We have to subscribe to it. If this submits, then it should add to the this that product here, then is equals to this spread this that products, and then add the name, no, not the name, rest that name, or like that, and we're going to send any here. Okay, is that valid? Okay, what other are they selling guns? No, smell again. Tobacco. Smuggled tobacco. Did it went through? Hey, why didn't it? Sonic Miratan Topian na 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 El Castillo. Alright, so yeah, I thought that this is a string, this is actually an object. Okay, hopefully that works. Alright, finally got it. Damn. Um, let's first remove all of this. Check all of it. Check, check. Check all. And then delete all. Okay. Delete all of that. And then we're going to say coca. And then weed. Then bullets. Guns. So we want to clear this. Why is it not clearing? When we press submit, so this thing here, the if form group, let's clear the form group. This that form group dot dot name. Smuggling. Hey, how do we clear this? All right, so is there something like reset? Yeah, there's a reset thing. Okay, okay. Products. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah, Kuka, weed. I'm not sure if they're selling meth. Yeah, money, law, money. They're selling money. All right, so that's it. Terrorism. No, I think that's it. Cool. Thanks. Bye. Narco. Pablo Escobar. Pablo Escobar.